Round two. Check out these clouds over here. Check out these clouds over here. Yeah, look at that. It's a wall cloud forming.
Yeah. Damn.
That's pretty sweet. Yeah, they're talking 65-mile-an-hour winds and tennis ball size hail. Supposedly. That is crazy, man.
Yeah, I've never seen nothing like this.
Oh, you're seeing it now. Yeah, just make sure you watch out for these trees. Stuff's gonna keep falling. That is pretty fucking crazy. Look at that one. Oh shit. No, that's a wall cloud. That's exactly what tornadoes are formed out of. Look at that. Oh shit. You guys see this? Oh shit! Yo! Shit! Where's Justin? Girl! Oh, Mom! There's a wall cloud. There's a funnel. Sky to ground right over West Broadway. I'm not kidding.